In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a project in Basecamp. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply need to remove an outdated project, I'll walk you through this process step by step to ensure you can do it smoothly and confidently. First, let's begin by navigating to Basecamp's website. Start by opening your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in basecamp.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you to your dashboard, where you'll see a list of all your active projects. Next, you'll want to identify the specific project you wish to delete. Take a moment to scroll through your list of projects on the dashboard. Once you've found the project you want to remove, click on it to open the project's main page. This is where you'll be able to manage all the details and settings related to the project. Now, with the project page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you should see three small dots lined up vertically, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to project management. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Delete this project. It should be towards the bottom of the list. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the project. This step is crucial, as once you delete a project, it cannot be undone, and all the data associated with it will be permanently removed. Make sure you've backed up any important information from the project if necessary. When you're certain you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Basecamp may ask you to verify your decision by entering your password or clicking a final confirmation button. This is a security measure to ensure that projects aren't deleted by accident. Once you've completed this confirmation step, the project will be successfully deleted from your Basecamp account. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a project in Basecamp. Remember, this action is permanent, so always double-check before proceeding with a deletion. Regularly reviewing and decluttering your projects can help keep your workspace organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.